Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are doing another unboxing. So right now I have 5 different pairs of shoes in front of me laid out on the table, which of course you cannot see, thank God, because it looks like a little bit of a mess. It's gonna be a whole lot of fun, so sit tight and let's get straight into it. Yeah, this is what we're dealing with. Probably a terrible way to unbox stuff. Right, so we got a New Balance box. This one I'm actually excited about because, I mean, once you see it, you're gonna know. Let's hop straight into it. This is the one I really wanted to get in hand. And you know what? I managed to get my size. This is insane. Pulling the shoe out here, this is, of course, you guys already know, the New Balance 327. I've given this so many good reviews over here on the channel. You guys know how much I like this, and this was one of the colorways which I found it impossible to get. It was sold out. However, it just randomly popped up on JD Sports, I think, and I managed to get my size, which is crazy. So yeah, a crispy white colorway. One thing to note is that this is a woman's colorway, so you're getting kind of like a satin material, the medial and lateral, which not gonna lie, it looks a little bit strange. And you also almost have like patent leather around the lace eyelets. So those are kind of the two things which I was a little bit disappointed with when I got it in hand, because you can't really tell online. However, the color scheme just looks so damn good. It looks good in every single way. You guys know that this only costs £80, ridiculously cheap. If you haven't tried the 327, I definitely recommend it. So we're gonna slide that off to the side. This is a huge delayed W for myself. I missed out on the original drop, and as you know, if you watched my upcoming sneakers, I was a bit salty about that, but I'm all good now. I'm happy, I'm fine. We got him in the building, the Dunk High Pure Platinum. This is like, you know what, I think this might be one of my favorite Dunk Highs, just because I'm a super big fan of simple, clean white pairs of sneakers. The padding around the ankle is freaking insane. It feels like pillows. Wow, I can't wait to try these on and see what they feel like on foot. I mean, I assume it's going to be relatively similar to a lot of Dunks or Dunk Highs, but just the materials are super dope. You know what, the cool thing about these is that if you missed out on them, these are literally, like, they're not reselling at all. I think you can get them for about retail. So that's a really dope thing. And as you know, Dunks are going crazy, so it's a rarity in terms of the Dunk market. You cannot find many of these for going at about retail anymore. This Pure Platinum one is just all over white, and you have some gray or very light gray elements like the Nike swoosh, and of course the outsole, and then you get some light gray for the sock liner, but that is it. Other than that, you're getting a crispy white pair of Dunk Highs. I really like this. I cannot wait to try them on, but of course we gotta get into the next ones. You're probably gonna be watching the review before I even post this one, because I need to get this video out. Yeezy 700. Oh my god, is it the V1? Is it the V2? Is it the MNVN? I don't really have particularly high hopes for this one, but we'll check it out. We'll check out the colorway. Oh, alright. Yeezy 700 V3 Safflower. Wow, it's a lot more tan than, or beige than I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, look at that midsole is definitely a lot more beige than this, but this is like one of the whitest whites of all time, and then you get that tan. Not bad. That's kind of surprised me a little bit. I got 5 freaking pairs of these coming through. The other ones haven't turned up yet, but this one is obviously the first one to arrive on the scene, so I thought I'd unbox it before we get to the review. But yeah, hey, this is actually solid. There's a ton of stock, I believe, because how the hell did I hit on 5 different raffles? So we'll see. I'll save a lot of that for the review, though. Actually, you've probably already seen the review, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, actually, I'm a big fan of these. These actually look a lot better in hand than I was expecting. I wasn't too sure about the yellow, but now getting it in hand, it definitely kind of goes together, you know, it just kind of blends. These are actually like a completely left field, and I would be really interested to know what you guys think about them, or if you'd like to see maybe a review or something. I don't know, because it's such a different shoe that I really just don't know how people are feeling about these. The Kid Cudi Adidas collaboration on this Torsion Artillery High. This is got some height on it. The Dunk High versus the Torsion Artillery High in terms of height. Like the freaking height on this is substantial. Like you're gonna feel this shoe freaking on your cuffs. Super retro design. I do like this colorway, however I think I'm going to like the other colorway better, which is what our last package is. This one right here, this is the other colorway. Both of these released together. This is kind of like, it's such a strange collaboration. So how it is like these two colorways came together. This one's kind of like more black and white, obviously, as you can see. And this one is red and white. So Kid Cudi is collaborating with Adidas, and also this is some like connection to the Bill and Ted movie, which I haven't seen. So I wanted to see them in hand because I am a massive fan of Kid Cudi. I love his music. Of course, I'm gonna try and check out a shoe that he is affiliated with. This colorway is definitely better, although this is a very different shoe for sure. Just look at that tongue. That tongue is a freaking cow's tongue. One, you get the Adidas logo over here, and on this one you get the Wild Stallions, however you pronounce that. It's a reference to the movie, which I haven't seen, but you get extra pairs of laces with both of them. I just think these are wild. This is a solid lineup, you know. There's a lot going on in November. I do really like all of them. This is a bit of a surprise, definitely. Make sure you watch the review. If you haven't seen it and you're watching this video, go and watch the review because I would appreciate that. I am very interested to know what you guys think about this, either colorway, just the whole collaboration in general. But that pretty much wraps it up. We're gonna go ahead and get out of here. Just a short little unboxing for you guys. I appreciate you for coming through. Like always, thank you of course for liking the video, commenting, and of course subscribing. This one has a review. Oh yeah, if you want to see a review on any of these, of course I've already put this one out by the time you watch this, but any of these, of course, just let me know down in the comment section. But again, thank you so much guys. I'll catch you all in the next one, but until then.